Hey guys, my name is Kelsey Sondrup. I am 26 years old and I am from Salt Lake City, Utah. That is my daughter trying to take a nap. And I am the kind mother that is doing this while she is trying to take a nap. I am starting this channel because it is something that I wanted to do for a long time actually, and that I am passionate about even though I've never done it. So here I am. I'm attempting this. I am married to my husband Tim. We've been married for 2.5 years, and we have our daughter Cricket, who is almost 8 months next week. My main objective for this channel is to share. I want to share my daily life. I want to create memories for my children to grow up and see and experience. Whether that be me talking in front of the camera all day, doing a vlog, or taking 20 minutes to sit down and record in front of the camera like this. I just want to, backtracking. Growing up, we all had home videos, and we get to go back and watch those now that we're older, and they're so fun and so exciting to see. And I love to watch my husband's. His parents recorded and took pictures of everything, like everything. They have albums and albums and albums and albums of pictures of them and just videos galore. And I love to watch them and to look at them, and I think it's amazing. And me being the youngest child, I had pictures taken of me and I had video, but youngest kind of gets gypped. Maybe spoiled, but we kind of lacked on the memory storage space, it got full. There's no more room for us. So I want to be able to do that for my children, and hopefully I can incorporate other things into this channel too. I would really like to do monthly or even bi-monthly, depending on how things go, share with you things that I've acquired. Stuff for Cricket, stuff for myself, stuff for our house, stuff for Tim. So yeah, I want to make this a place that people want to come visit, to come see and experience with us. That's kind of it for this. I just want to make it short and sweet. Please, if you would do me a huge favor of liking and subscribing. Liking this video kind of gets it out into YouTube, lets other people know it's there so that they watch it. And subscribing helps me actually have a YouTube name. Right now I'm just a robot in their books. I'm not real. I'm not real. I'm not real. And comment. Let me know what you'd like to see from me, what I could be doing better. And if you want to see me do collaborations or challenges or tutorials on things, I would love to. So yeah, hit me up in the comments, like and subscribe. Ding! And I will see you next time. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.